So today is Wednesday, September 12th, and this is my first time like sitting down and talking to you guys in this vlog. So happy Wednesday, you guys. I think I'm actually gonna go ahead and try and get this video up on Wednesday. So you're probably seeing my crazy dog in the background, but also you're probably seeing this video on the same day that I filmed it. So as you saw, Cleo, what do you want? As you guys saw in my last clip, I was at Food Lion buying some water and some wine and just some non-perishable food because there's actually like a pretty big hurricane that's supposed to hit North Carolina. And as you guys know, I live in Charlotte, so I'm quite a bit like far out from the coast. But you never know if like you'll lose power or anything like that. As you guys know, I go to UNC Charlotte, and yesterday they sent out an announcement at like 5 p.m. and they canceled classes throughout the rest of the week. So they canceled classes after 5 o'clock today. So I just had to go to my 2 classes this morning, but my night class tonight is canceled along with my Thursday and Friday classes. I already went to the grocery store, which is good, but I still need to bring in all of our patio furniture just because if it's like storming or really bad and like really windy, that stuff is gonna blow away. So it just rained, so I think I'm gonna wait a couple hours before I do that. But while I was on campus today, I actually went to the library and I printed off a ton of study materials because if I lose power or if I like only have my laptop to study with, I want to be able to be productive over the next couple days and not just like wish I had my computer to study on. So I printed some stuff out and I'm gonna go ahead and organize that stuff I think right now for you guys. So I was gonna print all of this stuff off eventually. I usually just do it closer to the test date though, but since I'm not really sure what my electricity situation is gonna be like, I figured I would just go ahead and print it off all now. But as you can see, I have so much stuff here. So all of this stuff is one class and then this is a separate class. So it's really just 2 classes worth of material, but I am just going to go ahead and file this all into a binder. I feel like when it's organized, it's just way more appealing and just way easier to actually sit down and start studying it. Alright, so 5 minutes later and everything is honestly so nice and organized. So this is my financial theory and practice binder and everything is just neatly in here. I love these little pocket folders, they're so nice. And then here's my risk management exam. And as you can see, I literally just printed off Quizlets that were already made. And these will be a really good study resource because they're pulled straight from the textbook that my professor uses. So this is nice because now in case I get bored during the next few days, I actually have something nice and neat that I can start looking over. It's actually so nice outside right now, so I'm trying to take advantage of all the nice weather that there is right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and start moving all this stuff inside, and I'm gonna take these lights down too because those will definitely be gone if it's windy outside. So what? Do you not like it? I don't know if I've ever formally introduced Tucker, but this is Tucker, my roommate Mary's dog. He and Cleo get along so well and they play all the time. It's so funny. Did you see that? All right, so it's about 4 o'clock right now and I am actually about to do my makeup. I'm going out on a little date night with my girlfriend Sarah. So I think she was in my last video too. We kind of do something like every Wednesday or Thursday. But yeah, we are going out to eat tonight. So I'm gonna go ahead and just like start putting my makeup on because she's coming over here a little bit earlier. She'll be over here at like 5 o'clock. But while I do this, I did just want to hop on and talk about something that has been just on my mind so much lately. So last Friday, I believe it was, you guys probably heard that unfortunately Mac Miller was found dead. So he passed away, and it's just so crazy because like he was literally one of my hands down favorite artists. Like you can go to so many of my videos and I've like used so much of his music in my videos, and he's literally just he was an amazing person, and I think he really set the bar for hip-hop for, you know, a lot of artists. It's just so sad because drug and alcohol abuse is such a huge issue throughout the whole world. Like not even just this country, it's the whole world. But it's when you see people that are so powerful and successful, even they have those same battles that so many people in the country do, if that makes sense. Regardless of whether or not he meant to overdose or if that was just an accident, it's sad that him and so many other people have gotten to that point, you know what I mean? That like nobody's there to help them, or they're not willing to accept help from people that are trying to help them. I feel like it's so easy to just kind of get lost in the world and forget that there are so many people that care about you, if that makes sense. So I don't know, that's just my little 2 cents. I know so many people that have been affected by drug and alcohol abuse, and it's such a big issue. And at the end of the day, I feel like it comes down to the user, because the user is the one that continues to use, but also that doesn't mean that like we as outsiders can't try and help the problem. Speaking of my sweet Mac Miller though, I actually ended up using his music in the Kai Omega Bid Day video. I'll leave that video linked below. I just put it out last night. But yeah, I used his song Best Day Ever in the video, and I feel like it synced up pretty well with the whole bid day theme. So for makeup, recently I have honestly been just very minimal. I don't know if you guys noticed, I just put on a tiny bit foundation, some of this MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, and now I'm just going to do my brows. I usually do a little bit of like inner corner pop shadow stuff, and then usually just mascara. Like I haven't even been doing full-on eyeshadow lately. Yay, my groceries just came, so I actually placed an order with Instacart earlier, and I had it set up to get delivered right around now. So the very kind fella just dropped it off, and if you guys have not heard of Instacart, you should definitely check it out. This video is not sponsored by them or anything, but they just deliver groceries, so you do all your shopping online, and I've literally always had amazing experiences with them. And I believe when you first sign up, you get free delivery and maybe even another discount, but I will leave the link if you guys want to try it out. It's really fun, and like for me, I don't like going to the grocery store, and if you like don't have a car, this is good, or if you're like low on time, I like using their service just because I don't like going to the grocery store. It's just annoying, and I'd rather lay in bed and order groceries. But also, if you don't have a car, this is convenient, or if you're maybe low on time during the day. So I got a huge bag of bananas, and I'm only gonna keep one of these bundles out, and then I'm gonna freeze the rest of them for smoothies. I got some whole grain pasta, some pasta sauce, and what are these? I literally ordered this stuff this morning, so I kind of forgot what I got. Oh, some of these little Fiber One bars. These are just good for on the go. I also got a huge, hello Cleo. I got a huge pack of this berry medley for my smoothies and acai bowls. I got a variety of yogurts. These Oi ones are really good. I also got some of this, what is this, like granola for acai bowls, and then I also got, these look really cool. I think these are new. Yeah, they're new. They're little granola bites, so I feel like if I'm ever, you know, craving a dessert or something, I'll just have one of these. And then I got a big bag of lemons. And the final few things I got are some mango chunks, some broccoli florets, a cucumber, and then this is an apple and just a bag of avocados. So that is everything I got, and this will last me well over a week. Alright you guys, so it's about 4:30, and I think I'm just gonna go ahead and close this vlog off here. Please don't hate me for closing it off so early, but I already edited most of the footage, and I feel like I have a pretty good amount. I just want to have a video to get up for today, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it up now. But for the rest of the day, I'm actually just waiting on my friend Sarah to get here. I'm all ready. We're going out to a couple bars and just gonna have some dinner and stuff. So that should be fun, but I did just want to say anybody that is expected to be affected by this hurricane, I pray for your health and your safety. But yeah, that's about it for today's video. I love you guys so much. I lately have been uploading Monday, Wednesday, Friday, if that works for me. If I like don't have content or something comes up, I don't sweat it, but I will probably see you guys on Friday for that video, so stay tuned. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.